Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's talk about something crucial for us blokes. It is our prostate health. We often shy away from these conversations, but trust me, it's important. Just like any part of our body, our prostate needs looking after. Ignoring it can lead to discomfort and affect our quality of life. We hear a lot about male health, and rightly so. But did you know that prostate issues are incredibly common as men age? It's true. And the symptoms? Frequent bathroom trips, especially at night, can really disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling drained. But there's good news. We don't have to just accept these changes as an inevitable part of getting older. There are things we can do to support our prostate health and maintain our vitality. And that's what I want to share with you today. For years I've been passionate about harnessing the power of nature to improve our health. So when I started experiencing some prostate discomfort myself, I turned to what I knew best, natural remedies. That's how I came across Prostazen. Prostazen is a unique blend of natural ingredients specifically chosen for their prostate health benefits. It includes saw palmetto, a powerful herb known to support prostate function. Then there's Pygeum africanum extract, another natural ingredient traditionally used to address urinary issues. And let's not forget pumpkin seed extract, a favorite of mine, packed with nutrients that promote prostate well-being. What I love about Prostazen is that it's free of synthetic additives and harsh chemicals. It's a gentle and natural way to support your body's own mechanisms for maintaining a healthy prostate. It's about working with your body, not against it. I'll be honest, the constant trips to the bathroom were starting to wear me down. It was affecting my sleep, my energy levels, and even my mood. But after incorporating Prostazen into my daily routine, I started noticing a real difference. The nighttime bathroom trips decreased significantly, and I was finally able to get a good night's rest. And with better sleep, came more energy throughout the day. I felt like my old self again, ready to tackle whatever life threw my way. It wasn't just about the physical changes either. Knowing I was taking proactive steps to support my prostate health gave me a sense of confidence and control over my well-being. It's amazing how much of a difference feeling good on the inside can make to your overall outlook on life. Listen mates, your health is your most valuable asset. Don't wait until you're experiencing problems to start taking care of your prostate. Give Prostazen a try. You deserve to live your life to the fullest, without prostate discomfort holding you back. And the best part? Prostazen comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. That's right, you can try it risk-free for 6 whole months. If you're not completely satisfied with the results, simply return it for a full refund. Your health is worth investing in. Take the first step towards a happier, healthier you. Give Prostazen a go, you won't regret it.